Premium visual appeal comes from combining clean spacing, strong typography, and carefully selected shapes. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Start with an elegant background, then open the Elements panel and search for minimal geometric shapes, thin lines, subtle circles, and refined abstract graphics. Choose only a few elements and place them strategically around the product instead of filling the entire canvas. Now, upload your product image and position it prominently in the main visual area. Next, add a sophisticated headline, a short product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern and elegant fonts.